Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nioka. Guys, today I'll be sharing with you 5 things about chef life that you did not know. And these are some pretty interesting things because I realized since I moved to Canada and I started my journey as a chef, I realized these things, and also I realized from other people's experience too. And I realized that we have the same experience, like the same struggles. So I just decided that I want to share this with you guys. Guys, thank you so much. A truck is passing and I'm just going to wait until it passes. Guys, my camera is shaky today because I'm just using my hand to record. I'm actually going to work at this moment. Anyway, so yeah, I just decided to share with you guys. I want to also say thank you guys for the support. I appreciate it. We're moving. The channel is growing. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Continue to share. Continue to like and continue to support me, guys. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So let's get straight to the countdown or the list or as I would normally say, let's get straight to the video, guys. Woo! So guys, the first thing about chef life that I would like to share is that we have to work long hours, and not only that the hours are long, we have to be standing on our feet the whole time. Not to mention those steel toe shoes. Like, I need to get comfortable shoes to work in, to be honest. Also, another thing, this thing, like the mask, because of COVID we have to wear masks at work. Imagine this, the kitchen is hot, the fire, you have how many stoves? Ooh, you have how many stoves on? A lot of stoves on at the same time. The kitchen, what so the kitchen is hot, you have to wear masks all your shift, like you're stifling. Oh my gosh, that's the worst part. But that's just it. You know, the struggle is real and we just have to go through it, right? Guys, the next thing about chef life is that you can't really get dolled up. Because why are you getting dolled up? Or what are you getting dolled up for? To go in the kitchen to sweat? All right, so the reason why I say that is because I'm happy that I'm not normally a person that wears makeup. Like, I might do my hair and stuff like that, braid, but makeup, nah, that's not me. But that's my advantage because I'm a chef, but normally chefs, we don't have time to do makeup, do hair, because when we go to the kitchen, it's the same thing again. You're just going to the kitchen to sweat. So unless you have like a special occasion coming up, then you just go ahead and do your makeup and go out and maybe get a wig or do some hairstyle that won't let you sweat so much, like braid, you know. These are just my little things that I see. But for me, if I was a person that loved to get to do makeup, I know it would be a struggle for me because the kitchen plus the mask, nah, that's not gonna work. Have you ever seen those girls? Or has this ever happened to you? Whenever you wear makeup or lipstick, when you look at the mask, inside of the mask is full of makeup, like. Anyways, I'm happy that I'm not a makeup type, so that's not really struggling for me. But the hair, yeah. So I don't really fussy about those things because I know that as a chef, sometimes it might not work the way how you want it to, or the way how I want it to. And that's number 2 on the list. So guys, the third thing about chef life that I realize, or the third thing about chefs, let me put it this way. The third thing about chef that I realize is that we don't normally cook at home. Like, we don't want to cook, because I'm speaking for myself especially, and I know a couple of chefs that they don't really like to cook at home either. But for me, sometimes I get really lazy and I'm like, I'm not in the mood. I just wish somebody would cook for me, because I'm cooking at work all day. So it's like, I just want people to cook for me too, you know. So that's one thing that I realized. Not all chefs cook at home, because the sun is hot, yo. Not all chefs cook at home because sometimes we just want to get treated too, like you guys or our family can cook for us too, you know. I would really appreciate that. So even though I like to cook, but not all the time I really like to cook, especially at home, you know. If we have some special things that we're doing at home, I would gladly cook, but I don't want to do it all every day. Sometimes I want people to cook for me too, you know. So the next thing on the list is number 4. Chefs always have that special knife that they don't want anybody to touch. They love that knife so much, like they cherish the knife. So they don't want you to touch their tools. When they have some their specific tools, especially the knife. I'm not even talking about the tools in general, the knife. They just have that one knife that they're like, just don't touch my knife, you know. So all chefs have that one knife that they love so much that they don't even want anybody to look at it, not even touch it. If it's dirty, they would say, I'll wash my own knife, don't touch my knife. So yeah, that's another thing. And then the final thing, guys, my hand is hurting me right now. I need to stop this video, give my hand a rest, and then record the next point. Oh, okay, I'm just switching my hand right now. Guys, right now I'm multitasking. I'm on my way to work. I'm almost there. I just decided to do this quick video, share with you guys. All right, so the last thing that I would say that you might not know about chefs is that we are chef, you know what, let me sit down. Let me just sit down for 30 seconds. Whew, I'm tired, the sun is hot, and I'm almost at work. So the next thing about chefs is that the next thing about chef is that we love when we cook food, people just enjoy it, like they just love it, and we love to get compliment and feedback whenever we do a good job, even though we know what we're doing and we know for sure that, okay, whatever I'm making today is the best. Oh, what is a seat and a woman? Yeah, so even though we know that we know what we're doing and we are professionals, like, we just still love the compliment. Like, who doesn't like a good compliment? So we like when we get compliment feedback on the food and people are like, oh my gosh, this food is so tasty, I would love some more, can I get some more, blah 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 blah. Yeah, we love that. So guys, those are just some fun facts about chef. I'm almost at work. So guys, I hope you like this video. And my hand, I don't know how people hold this phone. I forgot my tripod, so that's the reason why I'm Well, as a matter of fact, I wasn't planning to make this video, to be honest. I was just on my way and I'm like, you know what, let me just record a quick video. So I didn't even bring my tripod with me or anything, because I'm just going to work. Like, I don't need all that. So yeah, guys, have a good day. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm at work now. I'm gonna change and start my shift. Bye guys. Hi.
Bye.
Hey guys, what's up?